everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, hasn't it? Today I'm going to be reacting to the Earth Island Mythical. Reacting. Anyways, I already saw an image and I'm a little worried. So, let's get right on into it. I cannot wait to visit Earth Island when it's not July, but we're going to see how this goes in 3, 2, 1, now. Season of Love. Bye, Hula. Oh. Hula, you prankster, you. Oh no. Smoochel. Bye. Earth Island, right? Go this way. Totally not a prank. Oh no, Hulu's got some competition here with this new Mythical. I'm sure it's the Mythical that did that.
Wait a minute. Where's Seasonal Shanty? It was just here yesterday. It should be right there between... No.
What?
This can't be happening. I had my Seasonal Shanty decorated exactly how I wanted.
No.
Why?
No, Tyson. No. Oh, that's Air Island. I was gonna say, oh my gosh, this is a trumpet playing monster. I would die. That would be so cool. Is this a vocalist?
What the? What does that say? Hyehehe. Who or what is that? What's going on here?
Bro, who's got some competition here, guys? What? That sound, what in the world? What? Oh my gosh! Look at him! He's adorable! Oh my gosh! Earthland Colossal next? Oh my gosh, he's so weird. I love him. I love him. Oh my gosh. Hula.
Okay, this has gone on long enough. Who is this guy? Hyehehe.
That's his
High
name?
Monster Overlord of all realms of the multiverse, keeper of the Clangor Keys, gravest
Doctor Strange monster?
scribes, and a suitably stupendous surprise has graced you with its presence. This Mythical is definitely way cooler and smarter than a certain monster handler who is forced to wear a hat because he's losing his...
Bro, Tyson's getting beat. Yo, epic humbug. Look at him, he's cool too. Look at that guy. Oh my gosh, check him out. He's so cool. Yes, Mythical Island. I'm so happy for Mythical Island to get an update. Bro, they're buddies. Hey, I thought that was gonna be a tail, but they were legs. Yeah, I love his name. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I saw an image of him and I thought for sure, I was like, no, I'm going to hate him. He's going to be so bad. That's what I thought. I love him. He is amazing. Yeah. Oh man, he is going to be so much fun. His personality is bursting through the seams. I'm watching the trailer back. He is so... He is having so much fun. Ho, ho. I feel like this is like a Wally and Eve conversation. So that's the Dream Mythical right there. And he's a coyote, so he's supposed to be laughing. That's clever. That is really clever. That's really clever. He is such a unique and cool monster. He's so expressive. Let's go check him out in game. I moved Earth Island Epic Roblox to give Hyehehe the spotlight. Okay, here we go. Here he is. Hyehehe. Unmute, please. Oh, look at him go. Like, you can just tell what kind of monster he is just from seeing this animation. You can just tell. Level 2 all the way. Hyehehe is a hungry boy. He's gotta have all that food to prank people. Alright, Hyehehe, show us your stuff. No. Okay, here we go. This is interesting. He must be the piano monster on Mythical Island. Oh my gosh, I love his laugh. Oh my gosh. I thought he was gonna be a vocalist, like that laugh was gonna be his whole thing, but no, it was not. He has piano. That's weird, okay. I can't believe he makes that noise. That is such a weird noise for him to make. I love his laugh. And this is the extension. That is cool. Oh my gosh, that's actually really cool. Okay, I'm gonna listen to the song again. Let's take a listen. I gotta find a spot on the island for an epic combo. There's no room. Here we go. Okay. I can't get back. I can't. Oh, that laugh is so funny. I love that laugh. Oh my gosh. That is weird. That sounded sick. That little ditty at the end sounded sick. That is an interesting sound. It's not a bad sound. It's not a bad sound. It's just really interesting. It's not what I would have expected from him by any means, and it's sound in the song is just weird. Again, not a bad weird necessarily. It's just not what I expected. It's weird. It's not bad. It's just weird. All right, let's give these tracks a listen by themselves. You know what kind of monster he is just from his animation. That's too good. That laugh is too good. That laugh gets me every time. Okay, this will be an interesting track. This is the little ditty we heard at the end. Oh my gosh. He is having way too much fun. Oh my gosh. The fact that he's dancing with it. Oh my gosh. That is too funny. And then he does a little jump. He straight up looks like he's like a conductor conducting a band. Oh my gosh. That is cool. That's honestly really cool. I can get behind that. Oh man. Okay, well, all right, let's check out Hyehehe on Mythical Island then. Here he goes. Okay, fine. We'll go hatch that egg first. Yeah. Silly Trouble, you're great and all, but I need Hyehehe. I'm interested to hear what he sounds like on Mythical Island. This will be. So that piano monster in the trailer was in fact Hyehehe, which is interesting because I was like, that ain't gonna be Hyehehe. I thought that'd be Wheezel, so I don't know what Weasel's gonna sound like now. Ooh. Is that animation always purple? I doubt he plays in the beginning. He's gotta play. He probably probably plays the ending verse, but I don't know if he'll play anywhere else. I mean, we know he plays towards the end because of the trailer, but I don't think he's gonna play anywhere else. Not, are you kidding me? Guys, are you serious? Bro, I'm failing. I am failing so hard right now. Alright, there he goes. Looks like he probably won't play here though. He might play in the build-up with Catalyst and Spora. He might play there. I get the feeling he's not going to though. I think he'll strictly play in that chorus at the end. No, he'll play at the ending. He'll play at the ending too. Those two spots is where he'll play, I'm pretty sure. That's my guess anyway. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna just sit it like this for now. We'll hear it all together first. Oh. Oh, is he gonna play the second time through? Oh, that would be cool. Vary up this verse too. Oh, that would be cool. Do it now.
Do it.
Oh. Oh. Wait, am I blinking? Did he play in this verse at all? He didn't, did he? I'm gonna have to rewatch that trailer. I must be majorly blinking right now. No, are you serious? Oh!
A few moments later.
Guys, this is not going well. This video is straight up failing in every way. I don't have beds on Mythical, then there's an egg in the nursery. Then I get a phone call right as this guy starts playing. I'm blanking on it. Yeah. Okay. Anyways. And he is playing at the beginning. Huh. That sounds pretty good. Oh, hey! Oh, I voice cracked. Hang on. He laughs. Uh-oh. I'm not sure how I feel about that one. That one's a bit goofy. Yo, Ostrich, you sound so goofy. Okay. Here we go. Ending verse. That's pretty nice. It's really nice. Don't laugh. If he laughs, that would ruin the vibe. It's kind of funny though. Oh, he totally should have laughed. That's a missed opportunity. Do a little cackle in the quiet verse at the end. Oh, that's a missed opportunity. Sounds really good though. Bro, he's doing like the jazz hands. Okay, so laughs while he's playing. So Wheezel is not, in fact, the piano player. We're getting Wheezel today. Okay. There he is. Lancer? That's a cool name. Alright, and here we go. We're spending gems today. Alright. Please let me get Wheezel. Come on. I don't want to spend all my gems today. No. If Wheezel's not next. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Are you serious? Last try, and then we are straight up like going on YouTube and listening to the sound, which I don't like to do. Alright, MPG, let's see what you got. Thanks, MPG, who does not support or endorse me in any way, but I'm open to doing a collab if you're watching. Anyways, thanks, MPG. We now, because of you, get to react to Wheezel. We're in. Look at that animation. That's a pretty good animation. How's that tire staying on the ground? I don't know, Wheezel. I don't know where Wheezel's gonna play. Maybe, probably in the middle verse. I stand corrected. Wheezel's not playing in the middle verse. Okay, if we're not here, maybe with Catalyst and Sporo, but... Wait. What? Guys, what am I watching? No! What in the world was that? Are we done? No, I gotta hear that again. What in the world? I don't know what. I should have expected that coming from a prank box, but like... Was it just spitting? Is that all it was doing? I suppose I'll listen to the rest of the song, but what in the world? What in the world? I don't think it's gonna spit in the ending verse. That they didn't make Hyehehe laugh, so I doubt they're gonna do any spitting in the ending verse. Oh, goodness me. I don't know how I felt about that. Oh, the mouth looks so weird, and the fact that it's literally just spitting. I can't. Why? Like... Okay, so the worst part is, number one... Okay, it straight up sounds like someone making fart noises, and the worst part about it is it actually sounds good. Okay, one more time. We're 38 seconds into the song. Holds out the long one. Oh my goodness me. Guys, this is one of the most unique days to ever grace my Singing Monsters face. Between Hyehehe making organ noises from its ears and then laughing, and jumping while it sings or plays music, and then we getting Wheezel making farting sounds melodically. This is a day that I like, let's just say I got a lot of this. I shouldn't say a lot, but I got some of this spoiled to me beforehand. I knew Hyehehe was gonna laugh in his verse, and I knew Earth Island was gonna get extended, and I knew he was gonna be an instrumentalist, or at least partially an instrumentalist. But like his sound, I hadn't heard his sound at all, and Wheezel, I knew Wheezel had a mouth, but I had no idea. I thought Wheezel was gonna make a piano noise, so I saw Wheezel in the mouth. I was like, oh, is it gonna make piano noises from its mouth? No, it's straight up just... Thanks for watching my reaction, guys. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe for more My Singing Monsters content. I hope you all enjoy Wheezel and Hyehehe, and